Gicanja gitwethukiire seneta wa Narok Ledama Ole Kina nja ya wabici cia kambuni ya Royal Media Services.
Ulikuwa na deal na nani?
Aigirire ngari yake kuma wabici cia atari na umenyo wa kira gikumwetereire, no agikinya murango-ini wa wabici niguo aume maabitha uthuthuria metamburithia na kumurutira watho wa kumunyita.
Under arrest for what? No, tell me. Under arrest for what?
Ledama nietikirire kuma ngari yake na kuingira ngari ya maabitha DCI aria mekumwetereire ndagika nyingi murango-ini wa wabici ici.
No. The law is very clear.
No na kuri uguo Ledama uria wingiririo ngari-ini ya maabitha aya niaregire guikara nao ta uria kuri mutugo mwikwirwo munene anginyitwo kuria ikaraga gatagati ka maabitha acio undu uria Ledama areganire naguo.
Why don't you just cooperate?
I'm cooperating.
Don't create any scenes, unnecessary scenes.
I don't create scenes.
I will not press you. I
have told you I am ready.
It is the law.
It is the law to be pushed inside.
No, we're not pushing you. We're not pushing you.
No thutha wa gwitikaniria na maabitha acio iguru ria kunyitwo gwake ni ahoire rutha etikirio kuruta igoti riake na thutha ucio etikira guthie nao.
You know, I came out. Mimi? Yero kwa nini? Hey, yeah. Let me tell you.
There's no problem.
A coward dies 1,000 lives. A soldier dies but once. And I'm ready.
Please.
Mauma hau ni atwarirwo imwe kwa imwe nginya ceceni ya borithi ya Kilimani kuria maabitha kuma ruhonge rwa NCIC megwikinyitie aria maugite anyiteirwo mahitia ma gucugira ngui.
Why Ledama? Why? The tension in the country is going to go very high. It's better they release him now so that we can reconcile. It's a government of reconciliation and it's a government of handshaking.
No thutha wa guthuthurio na kwandikithia ndumiriri ihinda ria mathaa ta matano ni arekereirio hatari marihi kana bodi na erigireirio gugakinya igoti-ini wa keri kiumia giukite.
Political dominance in the 21st century by one ethnic group trying to take forcefully all the leadership of another community will not be tolerated. You know, do not force yourself in political leadership of another community because you will cause disharmony.
Is that it is a time to be heard. And the BBI was actually an avenue for that. And we are going to say things, however uncomfortable they may be, to other people.
Numbers are being brought to our areas just to deny us leadership. These are the things we are talking about. And they will be very quick at saying, no, you people sold land. This is a blunt lie.
Kuria atongoria makoretwo magicukira Ledama mahitia ma kwaria miario ingihurithania andu ire ratwika no icugire ngui na gwakiriria rumena.
Ndio ulisikia huko Narok wakiongea akidhibitisha yale matamshi ya mheshimiwa Ole Kina ya kusema watu wasisimame kuchaguliwa kwa maeneo za Wama.
We cannot have faith in a process like this one. Crimes have taken place in broad daylight. No action has been taken. People have started being attacked as a result of those incitements.
Giribotera Inooro TV, jitagwo muitiriri wa Wangari.